So now we're going to talk about the basic radicals. Now the basic radicals are also known as the cations. Why? Because they contain the positive charge. So this basic radical, which also known as the cations, they are divided into several groups, right? Basically they are divided into 6 groups. Okay, so the first group is the group 0. The group 0 contains ammonia. Okay, now this ammonia, it contains the positive charge, of course. Now group 0, it contains ammonia. It has the positive charge because it's a basic radical, of course. So group 0, ammonia. Then we have the group 1, which contains lead, Pb2+. Then we have the group 2, which contains lead and copper. Now you might be wondering, why is there lead in group 2 as well, group 2 as well as on group 1? It is because if we take the sample of lead, okay, we have a salt solution, unknown salt, we have an unknown salt, and then we have we have to test whether it contains, which basic radical it contains. So when we test that salt, and we do the test of ammonia, we don't get anything. We do the test of lead. For the group 1 lead, we don't get anything, and then we do the test of group 2 lead, and then we get something. Then we will infer from that the lead is present, that the cation is basically of the lead, and that lead is of the group 2. So that's why we have divided the lead in 2 groups. Then in the group 2, where there's copper in group 2 as well, but we won't be getting this we won't be getting the salt of copper, because copper basically is a colored salt. Okay, so basically we won't be getting the copper. You might know that the color of the salt, color of the copper salt is blue, so we won't get the copper salt because it's basically colored. Then we have the group 3, which contains iron and aluminium. Iron, another thing, iron is again colored, so we won't get iron, we will get ammonia in group 3. Aluminium, sorry, we'll get aluminium in group 3. Then we have the group 4. So group 4 contains cobalt, nickel, manganese and zinc, wherein cobalt and nickel is not in our syllabus because basically they are very much rare. We won't find it in our lab. Manganese is not exactly white salt. Manganese does not give exactly white salt. It's kind of, it's a bit of creamish salt. The color of the manganese salt is a bit creamish, so we might get it, but the possibilities are less. We have done it in our laboratory, by the way. Then we have the zinc. I'm sorry. Then we have zinc. Zinc is definitely there in the syllabus. Then the group 5 contains barium, strontium and calcium. All three are there. Then we have group 6, which is magnesium. So what are deleted? What are the ones which we will not get is the copper. We won't get copper. We won't get iron. We won't get we won't get cobalt, nickel, and we won't get, baki to milenge. So yeah, these are the groups. We need to memorize these, and then now we'll be performing the test for each one of them one by one. Okay, and then we'll be doing the confirmatory test as well.